Morning face. You get it when you don't sleep well. This is what happened to Linda.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Ah, what is that thing?
It's me, Linda.
Oh my God, it talks! Run!
No, it's me, Linda from HR.
It looks hungry! Save the children! Save them! Stay back, I've got mace!
Ow, that went in my eyes.
It's called beauty sleep for a reason. And there's never been a better time to get some.
Get 20% off IKEA Sultan mattresses. IKEA, love your home.
When Carol doesn't sleep well, she wakes up grumpy and sounds like this.
I did not sleep well. I'm quite angry right now.
But if Carol slept on one of IKEA's Sultan mattresses with 25-year warranty, she would sound more like this.
I slept 10 hours. I feel fabulous. I'm in a good mood.
Get a Sultan Hogbo mattress and box spring combination for just $479. IKEA, love your home.
I've never been so happy.